let's get started. So the next topic that is on the list is an YouTube video for a 20-minute HIIT workout. So let's go ahead and ask ChatGPT to produce the content for a 20-minute HIIT workout video that will be used on YouTube. Create the content for a 20-minute HIIT workout YouTube video.
Welcome to your 20-minute HIIT workout. High-intensity training, HIIT, is a great way to burn calories, build endurance, and tone muscles. This workout includes 5 different exercises, each for 40 seconds, followed by 20 seconds of rest before moving on to the next exercise. We'll go through this circuit twice. First up, we have jumping jacks. Start with your feet together and hands at your sides. Jump up, spread your legs apart, and bring your arms up above your head. Jump again to return to the starting position. Repeat this movement for 40 seconds. Next, we have mountain climbers. Start in a high plank position with your arms straight and your shoulders stacked over your wrists. Bring your right knee in towards your chest, then return it to the starting position. Repeat this with your left knee. Keep alternating for 40 seconds. Third, we have squat jumps. Start with your feet hip-width apart and lower into a squat. As you come up, jump into the air, and land softly in a squat position. Repeat this movement for 40 seconds. Fourth, we have push-ups. Start in a high plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart. Lower your body towards the ground by bending your elbows, then push back up to the starting position. Repeat this movement for 40 seconds. Finally, we have burpees. Start standing up, then squat down and place your hands on the ground. Jump your feet back into a plank position, then jump them back up towards your hands. Stand up and jump up into the air, then return to the starting position. Repeat this movement for 40 seconds. Rest for 20 seconds, then repeat this circuit again. Remember to pace yourself and listen to your body. And most importantly, have fun and get moving.
Awesome. And once again, ChatGPT has provided us with all of the exercises and the script for our 20-minute HIIT workout routine. So next on our list is a Facebook post for healthy lunch ideas. Write a Facebook post for healthy lunch ideas.
Looking for some healthy lunch ideas? Here are some delicious and nutritious meals that will keep you full and satisfied throughout the day. Quinoa salad. Toss cooked quinoa with veggies like cucumbers, tomatoes, and bell peppers. Top with a protein of your choice like grilled chicken or chickpeas. Drizzle with a lemon vinaigrette for added flavor. Greek yogurt bowl. Mix Greek yogurt with berries, nuts, and a drizzle of honey for a filling and protein-packed lunch. Veggie wrap. Fill a whole wheat wrap with hummus, sliced avocado, bell peppers, cucumbers, and your favorite greens for a tasty and nutritious meal on the go. Tuna salad. Mix canned tuna with diced celery, onion, and a dollop of Greek yogurt for a healthy take on this classic sandwich. Serve with whole grain crackers or on top of a bed of greens. Sweet potato and black bean bowl. Roast sweet potatoes and mix with black beans, diced tomatoes, and corn. Top with a dollop of Greek yogurt and a sprinkle of cilantro for a flavorful and filling lunch. What are your favorite healthy lunch ideas? Share in the comments below.
Great. And I love the fact that it adds that extra bit of engagement at the end where it's asking our audience for their favorite healthy lunch ideas and giving them the opportunity to interact with the post as well as other members of the community. So that is awesome. All right. And the next item on our list is an infographic about mindful eating tips. Write the content for an infographic about mindful eating tips. Include a visual description for an image that will accompany the post.
Infographic title: Mindful Eating Tips Visual Description. The infographic features an image of a person sitting at a table, focusing on their meal with their phone put aside. The background is filled with images of healthy foods like fruits and vegetables. Content. Mindful eating is all about being present and aware while eating. Here are some tips to help you practice mindful eating. Slow down. Take your time while eating and enjoy each bite. This will help you tune into your body's signals of fullness and prevent overeating. Engage your senses. Engage all your senses in the experience of eating. Pay attention to the flavors, textures, and smells of your food. Put away distractions. Put away your phone and other distractions while eating. This will help you focus on your food and avoid mindless snacking. Listen to your body. Listen to your body's signals of hunger and fullness. Eat when you are hungry and stop when you are full. Practice gratitude. Take a moment before eating to appreciate your food and express gratitude for the nourishment it provides. By practicing mindful eating, you can develop a healthier relationship with food and improve your overall well-being.
All right. And the last bit of content that we're going to ask GPT to create is the 10-minute ab workout video for YouTube. Write the content for a 10-minute ab workout video that will be posted on YouTube.
Hello and welcome to this 10-minute ab workout video. Today, we will be targeting your core muscles to help you achieve a stronger, tighter midsection. Let's begin with a quick warm-up to get your body ready for the workout. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart, and gently twist your torso from side to side, loosening up your back and core. Next, we will move on to the workout itself. Bicycle crunches, 1 minute. Lie on your back, with your hands behind your head, and bring your knees up to a 90-degree angle. Alternate touching your elbow to the opposite knee, while extending the other leg out. Russian twists, 1 minute. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Lean back slightly, keeping your spine straight, and clasp your hands together in front of you. Twist your torso to one side, then back to center, and then to the other side. Plank, 1 minute. Start in a push-up position, with your arms straight and your hands shoulder width apart. Lower your body down onto your forearms, keeping your back straight and your abs engaged. Hold for 1 minute. Side plank, 30 seconds each side. Start in a plank position, and then shift your weight onto one forearm, while extending your other arm up towards the ceiling. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. Flutter kicks, 1 minute. Lie on your back with your hands by your sides and your legs straight. Lift your feet a few inches off the ground, and alternate kicking up and down, keeping your lower back pressed into the mat. Leg raises, 1 minute. Lie on your back with your hands by your sides and your legs straight. Slowly lift your legs up towards the ceiling, keeping them straight, and then lower them back down to just above the ground. Crunches, 1 minute. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Place your hands behind your head, and lift your head and shoulders off the ground, keeping your chin tucked in towards your chest. Mountain climbers, 1 minute. Start in a push-up position, with your arms straight and your hands shoulder width apart. Bring one knee up towards your chest, then quickly switch to the other knee. That's it. Congratulations on completing this 10-minute ab workout. Remember to stretch and cool down afterwards to help prevent any soreness or injury.
So next, for the YouTube videos, another very important aspect is the thumbnail. So here we're going to ask ChatGPT to provide a visual description of the thumbnail for this video. Provide the visual description of the thumbnail for this video.
The thumbnail for this video could show a person in workout clothes performing an exercise targeting the abs. The background could be a bright and vibrant color, such as blue or green, to grab the viewer's attention. The person in the thumbnail could be smiling or showing a look of determination to indicate that the workout will be challenging but rewarding. The title of the video could also be prominently displayed on the thumbnail in bold letters, such as 10-minute a flat workout or get a stronger core in 10 minutes. Overall, the thumbnail should be visually appealing and informative to entice viewers to click and watch the video.
Awesome. So From just spending this short amount of time with ChatGPT, we've been able to provide content for, I think, up to 4 months of content for our content strategy. So this content calendar was also obviously created by ChatGPT. And then again, all we had to do was go through and ask ChatGPT to create the content for each of these items. I'll see you in the next class.